Hello guys, I hope you all are well and safe. Today we're going to show you some basic tricks which will help you to improve your PC performance. So without any delay, let's get started. First, go to your search bar and search for run. Click on it and type here temp and click OK. So these are the junk file which is basically main reason to slow down your PC performance. We have to delete this. So select all this file and click delete. Now again go to the search bar and search for run. Click on it and now just type percentage 10 percentage and press OK. Now we delete this file and press delete. Okay, it's done. Some files may not be deleted. Keep and close it. And now once more go to your search bar and search for run. Now type here prefetch and click on OK. Here you can see some command bar. Click on continue and select this junk file and press delete. Now all junk files are deleted. Keep, close it. Now trick number 2. Go to your this PC and select C drive. Go to your C drive properties and here you can see the disk cleanup. Click on the disk cleanup and mark all these files. Then click on cleanup system files. It will take some time. Okay. Mark this file and press OK. Now click on delete this file. It will take some time. There is so many junk file in my PC. Okay, I'm gonna skip this and okay. Okay, now as you can see, all junk files are deleted. Now you can see some slightly better performance in your computer. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay connected with us.